Dermatologist recommended brand. Repairs and gently exfoliates dry, rough skin on the hands and fingers. Noticeably smoother hands after just one use. Non-greasy, fast absorbing. Relieves dry skin associated with hand eczema. Specifically made for hands to help repair dry skin. The fast-absorbing, non-greasy formula smooths skin immediately and provides the moisture skin craves. This hand lotion is free of fragrances, parabens and dyes. Frequent washing and external factors like the environment can strip hands of vital elements needed to keep hands soft, smooth and hydrated. Advanced Repair Hand Cream leaves hands noticeably softer and smoother after just one application. Top reviews from the United States. Absorbs in fast. This is a great hand cream. Dr. Dre on YouTube gave it a good review, so I tried it and love it. It absorbs in quickly and doesn't leave your hands feeling greasy. It also doesn't have a scent, which I appreciate as that is better for sensitive skin. I have very sensitive skin and this doesn't bother it at all. I highly recommend this product.